There's no way to mass delete color swatches in Clip Studio Paint, but if you have access to Adobe Photoshop, there is another way to quickly delete tons of swatches that you no longer need. Start by exporting your color set using the Photoshop swatch file format. Switch to Photoshop and right-click on a folder in your swatches palette and select Import Swatches. Import the file you just exported from Clip Studio Paint. Yeah, I have no idea why Photoshop adds a 0 to the end of the name. So now we open the folder so we can see all the swatches we just imported. Select the first color you want to delete, then shift-click the last color. All of the color swatches will be highlighted. Right-click one of the highlighted colors and select Delete Swatches from the pop-up menu. Click the OK button to confirm you want to delete the selected color swatches. Now you want to export those swatches and save over the file you imported into Photoshop. Switch back to Clip Studio Paint and import the swatch file you just saved. Now you have a much smaller color set without having to delete hundreds of colors one at a time. I'm Mark Sweeney. Thanks for watching.